Okay, logged into ThemeJack dashboard. The first thing I always do is check for updates. If you're making any changes, adding anything to your site, and you've not checked for updates, you could be missing something. Themes, okay, there's an update to ThemeJack. Click on Update Now. Okay, it's updated. Now we come up to ThemeJack Biz. This is going to be setting up the pricing table. Come up to ThemeJack Biz, cross to the slide out window, and down to pricing table. Okay, and right now I have one in here. Click on Add New, and you can come and preview what the pricing table looks like. Decide whether or not it's what you want to use. Okay. Okay, I think I will use this one. Okay, and when you've selected it, you come down to the bottom of the screen and you can select the color that you wish to use. And you can just kind of grab onto that little circle and drag it around here till you find a color that you like. Or you can select specific HTML code and use that here. Now, above each section, you have a gear. The first section, you can change settings and duplicate. The second and third, any additional section, you can change settings, duplicate, or toss in the garbage. So if I want one section, I can set the column width. I can highlight this column as this is the column that I really want people to choose. It's the best deal. It's the one that I like the best. And let's save settings. Okay. And then say I want an additional column. I click on the clone, so I now have an exact duplicate of this column. And now when I click on any of the sections that have text in them, I can edit the text. And I think I'll leave that website and hosting. Okay. $50 a month. Okay, and you can add details of the services that you will provide and change any of the information here. And when you get to the bottom here, subscribe, you can use just a simple subscribe button or a PayPal button. And if you want a PayPal button, you will have to have gone to PayPal and set up the buy button, the subscription button. And there just happens to be a tutorial for that. And you would paste your PayPal subscribe button code in here and save the settings. And if I need to add an additional row, here's a row that's being added, or I can duplicate a row, or I can toss a row in the garbage. Okay, and when I'm finished, click Save. Okay, and now we go to Pages, Add New, and this will be our pricing page. Okay, and I'm going to add columns, add a module, price table, and here I have two pricing charts to choose from. So I'll click the small business hosting, and I'm going to add a top margin so that the pricing table is not stuck right at the top of the page. Let's see. And show on So you can decide whether you want it to show on all devices, only desktop, only mobile, only tablet, desktop and tablet. So I'll just leave all devices. So that was the update that just came through. Save and publish and preview changes. And there is our pricing table, and here is the highlighted one with the one that we want people to choose. We want them to choose any of them, but you highlight one so that it's prominent and people are more likely to pick it. And see, here is the 50 pixels space between the top menu and the, oh, that's cool, the shadows, top menu and the pricing chart. And that's about it. Just play around until you find what you like.